Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings. Good morning, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so take care of it. My viewers and subscribers, brand new week, the 8th of February. I want to say give thanks to life, give thanks to the uprising. Yeah man, don't forget to pray to the Father, you know. When I wake up, because enough people sleep away, enough people lost them life. Zine? Yeah, so I feel just be grateful. Don't know, Monday morning, you see me? I feel blessing up daily, you know, and keeping it uplift and confident and, you know what I mean? Strong in the mind, because enough people have got through depression, you know. Yeah man, enough people have got through depression all over the world. Even myself, you know, diagnosed with depression back in 2001. You see me? 2002. Yeah man. We did all homeless at one point, you know. Yeah man. You know, foreign in a bed I was, you know. Friends and family switch by you at times, you see me? Yeah man, I sleep out all in the cold and them thing there. Family lock me out. Sometimes I just come here, you know. But my viewers and subscribers, you see snow? Yeah, you have to go upon it and now we ask Father God for protection, guidance and, you know, along the way throughout the day. You see me? But as me I say, you see some people I never know where them I go through. You see them a smile and but you know inside them sad, you know. Me look happy outside but inside I'm sad. I'm a good youth but sometimes me feel fi get bad. Sometimes I feel fi just pick up the gun and go rob because the government system a drive me mad. Me really a try hard and can't find a job. Me feel like me I get one down in the barrel by the crab. But I saw the system designed for play with the poor mind. For we commit suicide or mad. A firm meditation when me write this song. Me not write it only for myself, me write it for everyone. Every man and woman who will go through sufferation. And I face be trials and tribulation. Me really have to ask myself what I have done wrong. Me feel sad like I made the whole of the lockdown pan. Me feel trapped like I am locked into a dark dungeon. If me never strong, my brain would have malfunction. Me viewers and subscribers, me have a lot of problem. Me a call Panja for help me solve them. Me kings and queens, me tired of the poverty and stress. Can't take it no more, that is why me a confess. Yeah man, that is a song I wrote when I was going through my rough times, you know. Well, some money, you know, so me clear off some bill with some debt. And we did, you know, I finally clear it off because I find myself in a look nice, a good job. I finished my apprenticeship now, 1 year of learning, you know, going back to school and find myself a job. Because sometimes you have to make a step backward to go forward, you know. I have to make sacrifices, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that video you have to just motivate the people and make you know, say, yo, you might feel you're down, you know. But someone down more than you. You might feel you have it rough, but someone have it rougher than you. Zine? So just be grateful and thankful for life. You know what I mean? And once there's life, there's hope. 15 years I try for bus in the music. I went close to 2018. You know, and everything was going smooth until I met this thief in PR boy named Carl Durant, you know. Yeah, well, I wouldn't say didn't stick to the bargain and to the deal, the agreement that we had. Didn't get all of the money where I offer, charge, but I didn't get all of my services them. I turn up all the interview and people are saying interview in a book for me, them don't know of that and all of them thing there. Went to the Gleaner and I see something them tell me, them don't know about that. You know what I mean? And all of them thing there. You see me? And the person who was investing in my career, them lose out because they believe in me. And them say, yo, once the thing got through the door, them can make back them money, you see me? And them just want to see me out there do the music because them know I'm a very talented songwriter, artist. And as I say, 15 years me I try, all of my experience, and I've been all over the world, well, not all over the world, but enough country I go, you know. On my own, doing my own promotional, and also people invited me to come and do some shows, and also with the proposal of management. But the game is a dog-eat-dog world, you know. You won't fight against your friend, your family them see all that struggle and for them get helping and claim say them have links. You know what I mean? Nothing, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, man, a real thing, man. The struggle is real, you know. Some people see but they don't know the pain. As what the marker say, you see a man face but they don't see the mouth, you know. And Bugle to exercise every day and still not fit. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know if you send out the message, you know, to each and every one all over the world, you know, because sometimes one little word from your mouth can save a life, you know. You see me? One little word can save your life and change somebody's mind from making that wrongful decision, that wrong choice, you know. So it's good to talk, you see me? Yeah, man, and never judge a book by the cover. You see me? And treat others as how you would like to be treated. You get me? You have some man treat the woman them like them are rubbish, you know? Like they are nothing. But you still them don't like to be treated that way, you see me? Yeah, man, you have some man want people to do favor for them. And some people to some woman too. You see me? But they don't want to give. They only want to take. You see me? Yeah, man, so help someone if you can. They're not too, hey, me say, the artist are named Aya Champs. The man of a, man, Guff! You're not on time, right? You're two police there, you know? Them just say hi to me, you know? Yeah, man, they know me, you know, because I'm a local in the community, you know? Yeah, man. Some viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, Aya Champs. You know? But, yo, I say, big up Super Hype. Super Hype, I'm find out about the artists, you see me? Yo, the man was sang them better than. Man, I say, yo, you bleed, what if, you know? What if there was no law? And police now have no gun? Man, they thump them down like Mike McCallum. To all of the innocent blood where they make run. You see me? Oh, you want to see the song? The song name better than. I'm going to review the song. You know what I mean? Bad artist, man. Yeah, man. The man have a song name. But, yo, the man talented. You know the man not shine. But the man now out there already. Like myself, yeah. You see me? But nobody knows. Everybody have them time, them 3 o'clock. You see me? Yeah, but you can help someone if you can. So that's why Lionfoot platform comes in existence. Got enough talent to see out there, you see me? Where we can highlight and help give them the platform. And that's one of the reasons why I started vlogging too. So people can know about my music the real way. And also give some other young artists who are facing the rough time in the music business. We know the music business is a dog-eat-dog world, you know? Fittest of the fittest shall survive. Everybody want boss, you know? And some people want to talk for themselves. They don't want to help no one. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so I don't know I'm going to love you and leave you here now. Snow fall and if you're out there, you see me? Right now my hand, I'm freeze. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hold you for love, you know. God bless you, know, saying. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, and remember, do some good today. Help someone if you can. And me yesterday, them chop off a lady head. Them find a lady pronounced dead in Portland there, you know. Georgia. You know? Wicked. Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Phantom Motion, big up yourself, you know. The Fire King. Yeah, man. Up.
That one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out on a defense by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I hit that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.